Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm here with my buddy Chris in his 2023 Mustang GT manual. So Chris, you want to explain to us what's going on with the Mustang?
Pretty much the only thing I got done to it is Roush cold air intake and MBRP catback exhaust.
Gotcha. And then as you guys know, the Golf R is completely stock right now. So we have a Roush intake and an MBRP exhaust. Anything else done to it?
No, that's it.
Okay, stock tune. Then as you guys know, 2023s come from the factory with 450 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. Golf R comes with 315 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Mine is a DSG and then he's manual. So Chris here, every single car he's owned has been manual. How would you say you're at with the shifting on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'd say I'm at an 8. It just depends. There'd be days I'm good, and then there's those days where I'm just like, I just can't.
Okay. So you know that if you drop back during the shifts, everyone's gonna roast you in the comments for driver mod, right?
Yep.
What's your prediction on what's gonna happen? We're gonna do a dig and a roll.
I feel like you'll get me on the dig for sure, and then the roll, obviously, I'll probably take you.
Yeah, and if you guys don't know, weight is about 3,800 on the Mustang GT, and then mine is a little over 3,400. So you're about like 400 pounds heavier, but you have way more horsepower, like 140 more horsepower almost, so, or 150 almost. We'll see what happens. All right.
Knock it off.
We can do a, what would be better for you, like a 20, 30, because 40 might be a little too fast for this road, but we can try to do a 40 if you want. But what roll is better for you?
We can do any roll, to be honest, bro. But honestly, you pick the roll.
I guess we can do a 40, so let's speed up to 40.
Alright.
Get up to 30. You can honk it. Oh no, the top end. Alright, we can do a 60 again. Alright, I'm at 60.
Alright, let me get it right here.
Pull up a little bit more. I think on that one, and I'm not making up excuses, but I think on that one I started a bit late.
I think you did, yeah. I kind of saw it. I felt like you did.
So I'll try to have better reaction time. Alright guys, let me know what you think of those runs. Chris, what are your thoughts on the results?
The Golf R is a pretty fast, quick car, I'd say, in my opinion. I really like it. It did good for what it is. And the result, the outcome is what I expected. You were gonna get me on the dig, and I took you on some of the rolls. On the longer stretch, I pulled out on you, and yeah.
Yeah, the 5.0 has the top end for sure, but the gear shifts and everything really help you out.
Yeah.
Now, to be fair, you do have a passenger, right? But your passengers shouldn't be very heavy.
No.
Your passengers should be really, really light. So just full disclaimer, he does have a passenger, I don't. But yeah, those are some fun runs for sure. All right, guys, well, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Golf R. Golf R. Editing.
That's all right.
Golf R. You're making me laugh now. Golf R comes with 315 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque.